I am doing an easy smoky eye plus natural skin. I apply this one right here, the Brightening Peach from Pixi By Petra. I'm like debating if I should do a heavier makeup today. It'll be a date night look. I'm gonna keep it lighter today on foundation. Grabbing this contour right here, I'm gonna apply this melting bronzing sculpting stick in the color Chocolate Mousse from TooFaced and apply that into the cheeks, and we are blending it out with the Rare Beauty brush. I'm gonna apply this Lancôme all over concealer right in the middle right here and on the bridge of the nose, right on the cheek. This is the part I love about makeup. Sometimes something works, sometimes it doesn't, and oftentimes it works so well that the makeup look you decided to try kind of changes your entire look. Get to know yourself. I saw the best TikTok video about this girl who is sharing how to find yourself and your identity. She recommended to like try a lot of things and even printing out people that you really aspire to be like and placing it on your wall. And I thought that was so brilliant. I love being inspired by other people. What really inspires me the most is when someone can articulate their thoughts so well. I'm like in awe when I come across someone who's like a deep thinker and you know they've really taken the time to really get to know themselves. Applying this right here made the biggest difference. I felt like the concealer was not hitting, but it looks so good now. I think I'm gonna go in with the Serum tint from Revlon. I need hydration on the face. And we're gonna blend it out with this sponge, the Rare Beauty. Yeah, I feel like it cleans up the skin. Yeah, I like this so much better. It is light. I got the Georgi Armani one because this is a lot more hydrating. The other one. Anyway, I found this pencil right here, the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil. I'm not gonna prep my eyeball at all. I am going to apply it at the end of the eyelid, raising it up. This is a much more cool tone brown and closer to the tear duct and closer to the lash line. With a tiny brush, this one is the Pro Shadow from Sephora. I am going to blend that out. I am using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil in Cool Coyote. I'm blending it out with a small, precise brush, working quickly since it's pretty creamy and I don't want it to dry down before I blend. I'm going back in and adding a bit more at the outer end just to build some depth, then blending that out across the lid and up into the crease. Honestly, my finger did most of the work blending it all together. I wanted that natural finish, like I didn't try too hard, not overly done. With that, we're gonna grab the black liner and we're gonna apply that inside our waterline. I'm using a small, thin, flat brush and sweeping it through the eyeliner pencil so the product grabs onto the brush. Then I'm going in closer to the lash line, sweeping it through like a liner. But the goal is that fluffy, smoky black eyeliner effect. This is a really creamy black liner, which works perfect for this. Then I'm blending it out with a smaller, precise blending brush. That's really what's going to bring it together. We're blending it out to give it that smoky look. I don't even care. This is not about perfection today whatsoever. Taking it outward for a smoked out wing effect. We're gonna clean it up in a minute. Don't worry too much about that right now. Now we're gonna apply some underneath as well. I definitely want to do some more vlogs in there. It's just like this past month lately, has been so busy for me. And honestly, like, YouTube is the only thing that's keeping me accountable because I don't want to let myself down. When I tell myself I'm gonna do something, there's no quitting at that point. For me, that's YouTube. I cannot quit. Now I'm like, okay, girl, figure it out. Even if it's been years later, though time flies by so quickly. It is actually insane all the things I've done in my life and the spam, quitting and showing up here. I don't want anything on my eyelid just because I want it to look like, you know when you put on a smoky eye makeup and then you grab a wipe and you remove it from your eyelid and you feel like you look prettier? That's kind of like what I'm going for right now. Applying TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara into the lashes. Okay, mascara made the biggest difference. Oh my gosh. We're gonna apply more concealer. And I'm just gonna apply it like a whole bunch. Like right here. Okay, we're gonna blend that underneath. Just blending. I'm taking it that way. Carving out that black a little better right here. Just to clean it up. Oh, I'm gonna put this shimmer right here. Oh my, you guys, oh, so beautiful. I feel so pretty. Should we put some right here in the middle right here? And then blend it with our finger like that. Right in the middle. See, oh my God, this is... We're gonna apply mascara underneath. I do like when I put lashes more in the inner. They make my eyes look a lot fuller. I am going to apply this paint. It's like a red tone from Violette. Oh my God, this is like a perfect sun-kissed, and I think this is an eyeshadow, but like, oh, so pretty. And then I am going to apply a little bit of freckles in there, the blonde. I'm gonna apply this blush cream in the color Cotton Candy. I want something a little lighter. I have a lot of Smoky. Look at that. My vision is coming to life. I am not going to apply any powder whatsoever. I know. I forgot to even mention the fact that I am in my bedroom. I took forever finishing this bedroom. Everything had to look put together. This is hauslab and the color RIP. I want a lighter lip for this. True story, I actually painted this room green first and then I couldn't sleep at night. Just looking at the color frustrated me. I've always loved pink. Pink has been my favorite color since childhood. So I just kind of went with pink. This lip gloss is the best lip gloss of all times. It has the best smell. If you love coffee, you have to pick this one up. It's Urban Decay Lip Toy in the color Nitrobuzz. It smells so delicious. It gives me dopamine. Like, just applying it makes me feel like I am transporting back into fall. My only complaint, it comes out a lot. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. I've seen some YouTube videos where girls will go back shopping like 2016. I really want to do that. I want to do my makeup like 2016 and go shopping at Hollister's and Abercrombie. I'm gonna buy a Bath & Body candle and Victoria's Secret sprays and kind of like be in the vibe. It wasn't really fun back in the day when you don't have money. So it'd be nice to kind of try. Like, it'd be pretty healing. Okay, I gotta hurry up. She's about to head here. Okay. All right, I will see you in the next video.